My second step in building DCF financial model is to calculate historical value drivers based on historical line items above. Let's go ahead and do that. My revenue growth will be my revenue for the current year divided by revenue for the last year minus 1. Shift right arrow, Control R to fill to the right. My cost of revenue as a percentage of sales is cost of revenue divided by revenue. My operating expense as a percentage of sales is operating expense divided by revenue. My CapEx as a percentage of sales will be my CapEx given in the line 20 divided by revenue. And what I want to do is to have all the numbers in my value drivers as positive. And you can see that my CapEx is negative here because it's cash outflow. So I will convert it into the positive number for value drivers by multiplying by minus 1. My D&A as a percentage of CapEx will be D&A given above divided by CapEx. And again, because CapEx is negative as a cash outflow there, and I want to see value drivers as positive numbers, I'm going to multiply it by minus 1. And my changes in working capital as a percentage of sales will be my changes divided by my revenue. Great job! Now I'm going to fill those formulas to the right to fill for all historical years, and our second step for our simple DCF model is completed, where we found value drivers for historical years. The next step is to make assumptions for projected years value drivers.